13 अप्रैल 1919, जिस दिन एक बहुत ही भयानक नरसंहार को अंजाम दिया गया था और उस घटना के बारे में सुनते ही आज भी हमारी रूह कांप उठते हैं। That was the day of Baisakhi and everyone was celebrating the festival. पर किसे पता था कि ये खुशी का माहौल मातम में बदल जाएगा। So hello everyone, it's me Nandini from Patna, Bihar, and I am talking about the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. So today let's know that why did this massacre happen? क्या थी इस घटना के पीछे की क्रूर सच्चाई और वो कौन कौन से सर्कमस्टांसेस थे जो इस नरसंहार के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल थे एंड एवरीथिंग अबाउट दिस मैसेकर. So the formation of the background of this massacre has started since the British government has passed a new law, the Rowlatt Act, जिसे हम उस समय के काला कानून के नाम से भी जानते हैं. Under this law, Britishers could arrest any Indian without any investigation or trial and could put them into the jail whenever they want. पर क्या बिना किसी जांच पड़ताल और मुकदमे के किसी को भी अरेस्ट कर लेना और जेल में बंद कर देना कहीं से भी सही था? Of course no. So everyone has started opposing the law. And during the protest against this law, our two leaders, Dr. Satyapal and Saifuddin Kichlu, were arrested on 10th April 1919, जिसने आग में घी डालने का काम किया और जनता का आक्रोश और भी बढ़ गया. Then, to demonstrate protest against their arrest and this law, a peaceful public meeting was organized on 13th April 1919 in the Jallianwala Bagh of Amritsar, Punjab. Thousands of people attended the meeting, but as the Lieutenant Governor of Punjab got the information about this meeting, he blocked the one and only exit door of the park and ordered his troops to fire at the crowd. So, his officers started continuous firing at the crowd without any warning. Everyone had tried to escape from there, but the only exit door was closed. Many of them had tried to save their lives by jumping into the well, but it also didn't work because the British officers also fired on those people who jumped into the well. Means they didn't leave anyone. And after that, the well filled with blood totally. And even today, the well is known as the Bloody Well. But not only this, even today we can see the bullet marks on the wall of the Jallianwala Bagh. Thousands of people were killed in that attack, including women, children and olds as well. But that was not enough for them. After this Jallianwala Bagh attack, Britishers imposed martial law in Punjab and created an environment of terror in Punjab and in all over India. Then, against this law and this massacre, Gandhiji gave up his title of Caste Hind and Rabindranath Tagore gave up his title of Knight. So, that's all about the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Thank you.